Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems involving motion are actually super simple if you follow these 3 quick steps to find the position function from a given acceleration function today. Start by integrating the acceleration function. This gives us the velocity expression, which includes an unknown constant c1. We solve for this constant using the given velocity at time. Now integrate the velocity function to find the position. This introduces a second constant, c2. We use the position at time 1 to determine its exact numerical value here. Finally, substitute the constants back into our general expression. This gives us the complete position function for any time t, which matches option D as our final correct answer. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Don't skip the constant when you integrate twice to find the correct position function result.